To save money, I'm building our house pretty much by myself. And up until today, I was going to only hire an electrician, but a few people have cautioned me against doing my own plumbing. And I can do it, but I might not get home insurance if I do it myself. So I think I'll do that. I just wanted to document 3 issues that happened this week alone. So, issue number 1, being a financial channel and really striving to do well in personal finances. I paid off the mortgage last month, and this month I noticed that our line of credit attached to our house, the limit went down 15,000. So that's really significant. That would pay for a plumber. And when I did a little digging, it turns out that while you have a balance owing on your mortgage, in Canada anyway, you can have 80% of the value of your home in a line of credit. When you pay it off and you don't have a balance, it goes down to 65%. And I kind of understand, but it's almost like being punished for being good with money. Anyway, so that happened. Second thing, actually good came out of that one because I applied for a mortgage, a builder's mortgage. So stay tuned. I'll have an answer either on Friday or early next week. Second thing that happened, I went to the Home Depot to pick up my lumber that I ordered. I ordered $15,000 worth of lumber that'll take care of basically everything for the build. It's going to be ICF, so mainly concrete, and then the inside walls and floors and roof will be wood. So I took my big trailer over there and showed up, and they ran out of wood. So I don't have my lumber. I paid for it, but I don't have it yet. Number 3, this morning, I wanted to know when the electrical company would bring the power poles to my property because I want to be there in case their big trucks can't turn around. Maybe I could help them by cutting down some extra trees and help them get turned around to exit the property because it's in a heavily wooded area. So I'm just concerned for them. Being a trucker myself, I know it's kind of hard to get out of some tight places. Anyways, in doing that, I found out that I owe them $2,100, and that was kind of a surprise because when they came out to assess everything, they said they thought they could do it for free because up to a certain amount, they cover the costs because I'm going to be using the power and I'm going to be a customer for years, presumably. And so that was not expected. So I went to town to pay that bill so that they could start the work. So these are just the regular hiccups of building your own home. And I can see how costs are going to be a little bit higher than I anticipated. But with this mortgage application, hopefully things will go pretty smoothly. So if this is something you would like to keep track of, maybe you want to build your own house, move to PEI with a very low rate of the pandemic and very tight borders, then hit that subscribe button. And if you watch the videos to the end, that is the biggest help you can do. If not though, hit that thumbs up. At least it'll boost the channel a little bit by doing that. And hope to see you soon. Until then, peace.